Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to use Instagram professional dashboard. So for that, first of all, you open the Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram application and get logged in into your account, before we get into how you can use the professional dashboard, you need to know that you need to have an Instagram account that is a business profile or you have a creator profile on Instagram. Only then you will be able to use this option, professional dashboard. You can use professional dashboard to get insights about your post performance and reach, learn about your audience and access professional tools like ad and branded content. So then you tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, then tap on professional dashboard. At the top here you will find account insight, tools and tip and resources. If you tap to see all next to account, see all, tap on see all, you'll find an overview of your account and content performance, including reach, engagement and followers at the top. Tap on the account reached over here. This option will allow you to see in more depth information for your account. You will be able to break down your reach, audience. You will have overall all the details that you need from your account over here. This professional dashboard will allow you to extend your creativity to the number of people, and you will be able to overall check for all the updates in Instagram. If you tap on your tool, see all, you'll be taken to a page with tools for the professional accounts, including ad tool, branded content tool, Instagram, shopping and saved replies. Under ad tools, you will find option to promote your post on Instagram with paid ads and manage any ongoing ads that you have running currently. Under the setup branded content tools, you can set up a paid partnership label to show when you're doing a sponsored post for another company. If you tap on setup saved replies, under saved replies, you can set up saved responses for your question you may get asked frequently through direct messages. This will make it easier to quickly respond with a pre-saved message rather than having to type out the same thing multiple times to multiple people. So this is how you can use professional dashboard on Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.